Welcome to the Python first lecture. Today's topic is the introduction to Python. In this lecture, we're gonna see why Python is so popular and why we should learn the Python. So let's move forward. Yes, this man is responsible for the Python. His name is Guido van Rossum. He was inspired by the movie named Monty Python. So he called the language Python after that movie. So there are different versions of it. The latest one is the Python 3.9, which we will install in the next lecture and see how to code in Python. So Python is famous because of its simplicity. It is damn easy. Nobody wants to spend much time on learning the language, and you can learn the Python even if you have never done the coding before. So let's see some of the advantages of Python. Its syntax is super simple. Python is portable to any operating system. You can write code to any OS without making changes in code. Yes, fast to develop, and its syntax is very much equal to the English language, and this is one of the biggest reasons that why Python is so easy language. It possesses very large standard libraries such as text processing, data compression, file formats, mathematical functions, etc. And you will be exploring these in the next few lectures when we will code. So here are some applications of the Python. Web development using Python has been very popular for years. Python web development is something every developer should give a try. So Flask and Django are renowned web frameworks in Python. Although Python is not ideal for game development as much C++ is, but it does support the game development. So PyChem is a library for game development. Python is an easy language, so building games in Python is not a hard thing to do for beginners. And it is widely used in scientific and numeric computing. SciPy, NumPy, Pandas are some famous libraries. Python is the best fit for machine learning. It has great libraries and frameworks for AI and machine learning. These things add to the popularity of the language. PyTorch, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn are some machine learning libraries in Python. So Python is a good choice for desktop apps. Tkinter and PyQt can be used for graphical interface framework. Also good for the software development and business applications. One thing I want to tell you that Python is very popular and considered as the best programming language for web scraping. Beautiful Soup, Scrappy, and Request are some Python frameworks used for this purpose. So a little bit motivation here. There are some large companies who are based on Python. Quora.com, Dropbox, Spotify, Instagram. Yes, Netflix is totally based on Python. Some part of Facebook is also based on Python, and YouTube as well. So in the next lecture, we will install the Python and see how to code.